You are going to love 2021
Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, air conditioning, cruise control, keyless start, advanced technology package, daytime running lamps, park assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.